Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Windows 11 PC feels slow, freezes randomly, or shows very high disk, CPU, or memory usage from the system process, one possible cause is the sysmain service. Sysmain was previously called Superfet. It is designed to improve performance by preloading frequently used apps into memory. But on some systems, especially older hard drives or low-memory PCs, it can actually cause high resource usage and slow down the computer. In this video, I'll show you how to disable the sysmain service in Windows 11 to help reduce high usage and improve system responsiveness. First, right-click the Start button and select Run. Type services.msc, then hit Enter. Inside the Services window, scroll down and find sysmain. Right-click on sysmain, then select Properties. You will see the service status showing running. Now click the Stop button to stop the service immediately. Next, look for Startup Type. Click the drop-down menu and select Disabled. After that, click Apply, then click OK. That's it. Systemain is now disabled on your Windows 11 system. You can now restart your computer and check if the high disk, CPU, or RAM usage problem is reduced. Disabling sysmain may help improve performance on systems experiencing heavy background usage or disk thrashing. However, on some modern SSD systems, you may not notice much difference. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips and fixes.